We are in the industry. We are present in the past, present, and future of production. We are in the most valuable projects of our country. It's not just about tying up a piece. For this country, for 30 years lovingly, love is to connect with heartily. EREL, we produce quality in clamping equipment. Our company was established in 1989 in Istanbul. We produce products that make the symbol of trust and quality in mold and workpiece fastening equipment. In 2017, we moved to Kocaeli Dilovası, İMES Organized Industrial Zone in our 5,000 square meter new factories production facility and management building. We work with superior performance for customer satisfaction by providing standard and project-based fixture solutions with our dynamic and expert staff. EREL has been progressing more and more confidently with the increasing capacity and total employment in the last years. Today, we export to more than 24 countries, especially European countries. We continue our efforts to increase product diversity with our R&D department, which is active in order to provide solutions that meet the needs and demands of our customers, each of which has a distinct value and importance. As of today, we are proud to be leading and manufacturer company with over 3,500 product range in workpiece and mold fastening equipment. Mechanical, pneumatic, and hydraulic fixture products, which are specifically designed and produced for the workpiece, are used in many sectors such as defense industry, automotive sector, white goods, heavy machinery, and weapon industry sectors. In addition to our standard productions, we also produce project-based fixtures. With our product group optimizing system efficiency, we continue to produce world-accepted standards that are valid in the field. By increasing our investment on behalf of quality and safe products, EREL follows an efficient, sustainable path. We have ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001, OHSAS 18001, CE 0075 and C 80076 quality certificates, and we manufacture accordingly. We would like to thank you, our esteemed customers, for your trust in EREL and hope to work for many years with the same stability and confidence. EREL. We produce quality in clamping equipment.